Cross-dressing is an art that has been around for centuries, and it is still popular today. As a cross-dresser, it can be challenging to find the right heels that fit perfectly, match the outfit, and make you feel confident. In this video, we will discuss some tips to help you choose the best heels for cross-dressers. Tips number 1. Size matters. One of the most important aspects of choosing the right heels is getting the right size. You must pay particular attention to the length and width of your feet, as they may not fit into traditional men's shoe sizes. It's crucial to measure your feet accurately, especially if you are purchasing shoes online. The easiest way to measure your feet is by using a measuring tape or by visiting a shoe store and having your feet measured by a professional. Tips number 2. Comfort. Comfort is king when it comes to choosing the right heels. As a cross-dresser, you want to avoid shoes that cause discomfort, blisters, or pain. When trying on heels, make sure to walk around in them to see if they feel comfortable. Look for shoes that have a cushioned sole or are made from materials that are soft and flexible, such as leather, suede, or fabric. Tips number 3. Heel height. The height of the heel is another important factor to consider when choosing heels for cross-dressers. It's essential to choose a heel that you feel comfortable wearing and can walk in confidently. If you are new to wearing heels, start with a lower heel, such as 2 to 3 inches, and gradually work your way up. Keep in mind that high heels can be challenging to walk in, so make sure to practice walking in them before wearing them out in public. Tips number 4. Style. When it comes to style, there are countless options to choose from, including pumps, stilettos, wedges, and more. The style of the shoe should complement your outfit and personal style. For a more classic look, choose a pair of black or nude pumps. If you are looking for something more daring, try a pair of red stilettos. Wedges are also a great option for cross-dressers, as they provide more stability and are easier to walk in. Tips number 5. Color. The color of the shoe is another important consideration. As a cross-dresser, you may want to match your shoes to your outfit or make a statement with a bold color. Black, nude, and silver are versatile colors that can be worn with many different outfits. If you want to add a pop of color, try a bright red or pink shoe. Tips number 6. Material. The material of the shoe is also essential to consider. Leather and suede are classic materials that can be dressed up or down. Satin and silk are elegant materials that are perfect for formal occasions. Synthetic materials, such as PVC, are also popular for their affordability and durability. Tips number 7. Brand. Choosing the right brand is crucial when it comes to purchasing heels for cross-dressers. Look for brands that specialize in larger sizes or have a reputation for creating shoes that fit well and are comfortable to wear. Some popular brands for cross-dressers include Pleaser, Fabulicious, and Ellie shoes. Tips number 8. Accessories. Accessories can add a finishing touch to your outfit and complement your heels. Consider adding a matching clutch or purse to complete the look. Jewelry, such as earrings or a necklace, can also enhance your outfit. Tips number 9. Try before you buy. It's always best to try on shoes before you buy them. If you are purchasing shoes online, make sure to read reviews and check the size chart to ensure a good fit. If possible, order multiple sizes to try on and return the ones that do not fit. If you are purchasing shoes in-store, take the time to try on different styles and sizes to find the perfect pair of heels. Tips number 10. Confidence. The most important tip when it comes to choosing the best heels for cross-dressers is confidence. It's essential to wear shoes that make you feel confident and comfortable in your skin. Remember that everyone has different tastes and preferences, so choose heels that reflect your personal style and make you feel like the best version of yourself. Tips number 11. Ankle support. Ankle support is an important consideration when choosing heels for cross-dressers. Wearing heels can put extra pressure on the ankles, which can lead to sprains or other injuries. Shoes with ankle straps or boots can provide additional support and stability to the ankle, reducing the risk of injury. If you are new to wearing heels or have weak ankles, look for shoes with ankle support to ensure a comfortable and safe experience. Tips number 12. Platform heels. Platform heels are a great option for cross-dressers as they offer extra height while being easier to walk in than traditional heels. The raised platform at the front of the shoe distributes the weight of the foot more evenly, reducing the strain on the feet and legs. This can make them a more comfortable option for those who are new to wearing heels or who will be on their feet for extended periods. Additionally, platform heels can be a stylish addition to any outfit, providing a feminine touch and enhancing your overall look. Tips number 13. Toe shape. Consider the shape of the toe when choosing heels. Pointed toes can elongate the legs and provide a more feminine look. Rounded toes can be more comfortable and provide more space for the toes. Tips number 14. Arch support. Some heels come with built-in arch support, which can help alleviate foot pain and prevent injuries. Look for shoes that have a contoured footbed or arch support insole. In conclusion, choosing the best heels for cross-dressers can be a challenging task, but by following these tips, you can make the process easier and find the perfect pair of shoes. Remember to prioritize comfort, fit, and style, and don't be afraid to try on different styles and sizes until you find the perfect pair. With the right pair of heels, you can enhance your outfit and feel confident and comfortable in your cross-dressing journey.